In this video, I will show you how to navigate your planner. Your planner contains hundreds of hyperlinks to help you work on different sections. You have access to index pages, a docking station with core sections, calendar view, lifestyle planner, wellness, and more. Tabs for each month. And these shortcuts are accessible from any page. Let's take a look at the index page. Here you can click on all the titles on the left and the icons on the right. In the calendar view, you can click on all of the months, weeks, and every single day. The same goes for a single month view. If you are on the weekly view, you can click on the month or the days. It is that easy. On the daily view, you can click on the arrow to return to the corresponding week or the month for a full view. When you are on the other planner's templates, you can click on their titles to jump back to the index. This approach allows us to utilize less space so you can have more room in your planner. We included a dedicated help page to check if you ever need to contact us or see all the different hyperlinks. You can always zoom in and out, allowing you to place stickers and other elements in your planner. I hope you enjoy your planner as much as we do. If you have any questions, please contact me at support@plannerhood.com. That is support@plannerhood.com. Thank you for watching.